Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your ISB peers with Bdix and that you're on a wired link for consistent tests. Once done, set your interface MTU to 1500 or follow your ISB's recommended value. This avoids fragmentation. Next, install iperf3 traceroute and fetch a current Bdix mirror list so you know target endpoints. Make sure your DNS doesn't force external resolution. Use a Bdix-aware resolver or direct IPs for accurate measurements and to reach local peers quickly. You now configure routing so Bdix target IPs traverse the local peering path. Add static routes to Bdix mirror IPs via your ISB gateway. This ensures packets take the exchange route. Then run iperf3 tests against several Bdix mirrors, varying parallel streams and window sizes to find optimal throughput. Disable VPNs and proxies that tunnel traffic outward, and confirm DNS resolution returns Bdix local addresses. If results vary, tweak TCP window size, and test finish by choosing the mirror that consistently gives the highest throughput and persist its static route for ongoing use. Once configured, perform repeated iperf3 tests to validate stability. If speeds stay low, collect traceroute and iperf logs and contact your ISB, ask them to confirm Bdix peering and inspect local link congestion. As a troubleshooting tip, if you see packet loss or high latency, try lowering MTU slightly and switching TCP congestion algorithms. These often reveal and mitigate path-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.